it is definitely something that I think everyone would find something there that they like.
I would say it's a wonderful experience. The atmosphere, the creating and seeing if I can please the public with what I put forward.
The thing it's about is the art. The art is absolutely phenomenal.
I like to try and get the whole family involved.
We are the Cherry Ripes. This is my little sister, Ruby Ripe. My name's Cherry Ripe, and we're all the way from Canberra.
The theme is wild things, and this is a horse that's rearing up because there's a ride on its back who's also wild. I'm enjoying it far too much. I won't get done in time.
I think because you come in as like a blank canvas, and by the end you completely transform.
Seeing it is so good. It is probably Australia's best festival.